Hey, it's Leah, and today I'm going to talk about becoming your own boss. Would you like to learn how to get $300 a day? This is absolutely amazing. This is 100% commission that goes directly to you by posting pre-written ads on social media. Step one, this is not an overnight get rich scheme. It has been a powerful to change lives and avoid that 9 to 5. So here you'll be able to go ahead and see my information, and I want to be able to help you get started with me. Let's go ahead and watch step one and watch this video.
Popular websites in the world like Facebook. New Success System allows you to stop trading time for money once and for all. Even if you're a complete newbie, the super simple step-by-step process for making commissions that creates a life-changing income online using proven, high-converting pre-written templates, making it simple for you to earn instant 100% commissions and change your financial situation for good. Remember wanting more out of life? Imagine what it would be like to skip the learning curve, cut straight to the front of the line, and start making 100% commission sales.
All right, I didn't want to play the whole video for you. Go ahead and click on the link down below and learn a little bit more on how this system works. Right here, you can go ahead and connect with me, click on the link, and let's get started. So just imagine having the ability to generate 100% commissions. I absolutely love programs like this that give you 100% commission, and it goes directly to a Cash App, PayPal, Stripe, Zelle, whatever works for you. So how does it work? You follow our 3 simple steps and get 100% commission. Step one, get started, join at all levels, and get the access and products and your ability to get the step-by-step training. Step two, post ads on social media. We show exactly where and how and to start posting on social media and drive tons of traffic to your offer. Number three is the best part, get paid. Get paid, get paid. Start collecting 100% daily commission straight to your bank account. How does it work? Right here, we're going to give you a step-by-step process with automatic commissions each and every day, which is a life-changing income online using proven high converting pre-written ads, making it simple and easy to earn 100% commission. So you can come in here and learn a little bit more about the process and how to get started. This is for you if you get tired of struggling and feeling stuck and confused. You're a college dropout, you're a stay-at-home mom, looking for a way to make extra income for your family and look for that big break. If you're tired of that job, just over broke, or you don't even have one at all and need the ability to pay, instead of every 2 weeks you get paid instantly. It's all up to you. It's all inside the process. Imagine what you could do, learn some different strategies on a 6-figure earner who already applies this every day in her business. Now having to worry about making ends meet, quit your day job and that rat race. Wake up and enjoy what you're doing and get started. There is only 3 levels, super simple and easy. You have the starter level, which is $50 one time, and a one-time $17 admin that will allow you to have a website already done and set up for you. Elite level is $150 with a one-time $17 to get your website. And the pro level is the best way to go, of course, because that way you get paid on a $150 level, a $50, so you get paid on all 3 levels. But if you can't do $300 today, go ahead and do the $50. You do have 30 days to go ahead and just pay the difference in between those levels if you'd like to go ahead and be pro. So you do have 30 days to go ahead and get started and increase to the other levels without paying the full price. Down below will be all the different marketing things that you get and how much training you will get with these. As you can tell, you'll get so much more with the $300 level. All you have to do is just click on the button, and right here is Cash App and Zelle. If you need any help with that, please do let me know. My information is up above. What's your income earning potential? Which level would be best for you? Go ahead and watch that video and get started. Right here will allow you to learn more about these simple levels, and the number one reason I love sharing these is no additional monthly fees. So even though you are going to be sharing it all the time, having no monthly fees and never that worry, you just constantly keep sharing. So here you can go ahead and see what each of these levels will allow you to get in your monthly levels and just kind of learn how it will go for you. Down below will be any of that refund policy. If you're not interested, please don't get started. Right here will be all the information. I will be doing more videos, so make sure that you go ahead and click and subscribe. I'll see you on my next video. Appreciate your time. Wish you a great day, and bye for now.